Hey everybody, welcome to Build a Website from Scratch with HTML and CSS. I'm Brad Hussey and I'm going to be teaching you throughout the entire course how to code HTML and CSS from scratch. You don't need any prior knowledge of either to take this course. In fact, I designed this course with the thought that my students have no prior knowledge of HTML and CSS before taking this course. If you do have any knowledge in HTML or CSS, that's okay, because this course will also act as a great refresher to the basic skills that you may have forgotten about since starting your HTML and CSS journey. I'll be instructing you step by step, and at the end of each section, we're going to be coding a practical example, and I call them mini websites, and they range from how to code a box to a full-fledged, beautiful web page at the very end of the course as your final project. So the approach that I'm taking is very practical and very hands-on. You do theory, but alongside actual practical hands-on skills, so you can see what you're learning put in action immediately. And it's incredibly rewarding, and you're going to surprise yourself with the amount of knowledge you'll learn by taking this course. I certainly hope you love it. Let's get started.